Ever wondered why some people seem to unlock wealth so early? Well, it's not about luck or a secret formula. It's about strategy, discipline, and mindset. Today, we're breaking down the real steps to getting rich in your 20s. Whether you're just starting out or want to up your financial game, stay tuned because this advice is life-changing. Let's start with the foundation, your mindset. A wealth-building mindset means you're committed to growth, learning, and doing what it takes to build a better future. This could mean reading one book a month on finance, attending webinars, or even shadowing a mentor to learn how they manage their money. Actionable tip: keep a journal to track your financial goals and progress. Set small, achievable milestones like saving your first $1,000 or paying off one debt. This builds your financial confidence. Next up, let's talk about income streams. Relying on one job isn't going to cut it in today's world. You need to diversify. Start by building skills that are in demand and can earn you more. This could be coding, digital marketing, graphic design, or even copywriting. Once you've developed a skill, look at freelancing platforms or start your own business. Yes, it takes time to build, but imagine the freedom you'll have when you're not dependent on just one paycheck. Tips. Tip 1. Break down your week and dedicate specific time slots to work on side projects. Tip 2. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients even if you're just starting out. Tip 3. Consider passive income sources like creating an online course or investing in dividend stocks. Passive income can be small at first but grows steadily over time. Saving doesn't mean living like a hermit, but it does mean prioritizing long-term wealth over short-term splurges. The trick? Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill. Start with a budgeting rule like the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, 30% for fun, and 20% for saving or investing. If you find that 20% hard to reach, look at your subscriptions, dining expenses, or other areas where you can cut back. Saving aggressively in your 20s is like planting seeds for future financial security. Pro tips. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending in real time. Try a no-spend week each month where you only cover necessities. You'll be surprised at how much you can save. Set up automatic transfers into a separate savings or investment account. Out of sight, out of mind. Now, let's talk about investments. The key here is starting early and staying consistent. Even if you can only invest $50 a month, that small amount has the potential to grow significantly thanks to compound interest. Consider starting with low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer a diversified mix and don't require much knowledge to start. If you're willing to take more risks, explore real estate or even cryptocurrency, but make sure it's a small portion of your portfolio. And remember, the stock market can be volatile, so think long-term and don't panic sell at the first dip. Debt can be one of the biggest wealth killers, especially high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt, focus on paying that off before you invest heavily. But at the same time, learning to use credit can help you build a good credit score, which can save you thousands in interest over time on things like mortgages or car loans. Pro tips. Use credit cards for small purchases you can pay off in full each month to build your score. Consider the debt snowball method for tackling multiple debts. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first for motivation, then move to larger ones. Building wealth is also about who you know. Surrounding yourself with like-minded, ambitious people can inspire you to level up. Networking events, professional groups, and even online communities can connect you with potential mentors and business partners. Tips for success. Attend one networking event per month, whether it's in person or virtual. Don't just look for what people can do for you. Focus on providing value too. Ask someone you admire for a 15-minute coffee chat. People appreciate those who are genuinely curious and eager to learn. Without goals, it's easy to lose direction. Set specific, measurable financial goals. Maybe it's to save $10,000 by the end of the year or to earn $500 a month in passive income by next year. The key here is to keep track. Review your goals monthly or quarterly and adjust as needed. Visualize where you want to be financially in 5 or 10 years and create a roadmap to get there. This helps keep you motivated and on track even when things get tough. Goal setting tools. Use a goal tracking app like Strides or Habitica. Create a vision board or financial progress chart to remind you of your goals daily. These are the steps. But remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. If you stay consistent, make smart choices, and stay open to learning, you'll set yourself up for lifelong financial success. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and share your financial goals in the comments below. Let's build this journey together.